We are doing a little bit of upgrade. This is the aftermarket we're working on, and this is the original. Does not have the turn signal on. So what I did was cut the wire, and I'm going to jump the wire to this one. See all these pieces? We gotta put them together and make it out of one wire. I'm gonna go through here, roll in, come right out here. So stay to it. Okay, here we are. It's getting there little by little, one step at a time. One step at a time. One step at a time. All right, what next? Alrighty, almost there. So here we are. Still building that up. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Forgetting one thing. We are forgetting one more thing to put on.
Alright, looks like we got the last few.
See that? Is that one on?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, both of them work now. So we just changed from this guy to that one right there. Just a little upgrade. See the back, we try to make it look good so you don't from let me try to move the mirror around to see if that's gonna work. Alrighty, see now.